Hi, my name is Leo. My job title is Assistant Manager and also Log and Timber Procurement Manager. An operation called EB Sawmill, LLC. My job description is basically involved in measuring and scaling logs every day and looking at timber to buy and purchase and do interaction with landowners and my business partners from day to day. I like the ruggedness and the commotion of the logging and lumber business that starts at the stump and goes to the board. I like doing business with people, and I like interacting with people, meeting new people, looking at people's properties. I consider that a privilege. As far as my education, I only have 9 years of formal education. The rest of it really boils down to integrity and hard work and tenacity and fortitude and grit. I like to think of the lumber business as an art, whether it's buying trees, estimating timber, scaling logs, grading lumber, doing business. It's all come down to an art because it's not an exact science.